Are you ready to participate in an interactive Mentimeter presentation? Whether you're attending a meeting, class, or webinar, joining a Mentimeter session is quick and easy. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Open your browser launch. Any web browser, Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc., on your device. Make sure you have an active internet connection. Step 2. Visit the Mentimeter website. Go to www.mentimeter.com in your browser's address bar. Step 3. Find the code entry box. On the Mentimeter homepage, you'll see a prominent box that says, Enter the code to join. This is where you'll input the code provided by the presenter or event organizer. Step 4. Enter the code. Type the code exactly as it was shared with you, typically a series of numbers and letters. Ensure there are no spaces or typos, as the code is case-sensitive. Step 5. Click Join. After entering the code, click the Join button to proceed. Step 6. Participate in the presentation. Once you've joined the presentation, you will be able to interact with the presenter's slides, participate in polls, quizzes, and other activities, depending on what's set up. Step 7. Engage and enjoy. Now that you're in, you can participate in real time. Answer questions, vote in polls, and give feedback using the various interactive features of Mentimeter. Additional tips: if you encounter any issues joining the session, check your internet connection and make sure you've entered the code correctly. You can join the presentation using any device, smartphone, tablet, or computer. Remember, Mentimeter is a live platform, so try to join as soon as possible to fully engage with the session. Enjoy your interactive experience on Mentimeter.